want to load up the comment section with happy birthday, Angel. It's her birthday, girl turned 10. Yeah, I'm excited for that. Excited. Double digit for her. So this morning now she gone to school because you know school time again. So she gone to school this morning. Have on her thing on her. Hold on there, people. So when I'm negative of vlogging with the cell phone just happened that I just get one phone call. So you know when I get one phone call when the vlogging it may throw off your whole train of thought that you're, you know. So yeah, back to the video guys. So may I say it's Angel's birthday today. And I want y'all to load up the comment section with happy birthday, Angel. Oh my god. When I get to do a whole lot of stuff this year. So she said she want to go skating later. So we go do that. Get something to eat and then go somewhere. So I'm not fussy this year. And the fact that she go skating, she can't dress up in her birthday outfit like how she would have wanted to. But nevertheless, girl birthday and I go flap. Never. Yes guys. So right now I'm heading in town. I'm gonna go pick up her birthday outfits. As you don't know, Monica's place already. The place where I normally buy them fits. That's where I'm going right now. JPS. Guys, JPS are playing with me. Playing with me and I'm going out there. I am going out there. I get out there because my earth are upset. Imagine you have your bill coming for the entire year. Like when I check the statistics of the year, the amount of money you've been paying for the bills, I'm like how much you pay per month and so forth. And you know what your bill is supposed to look like. Worse if one, you don't keep an event at your house. Two, you don't buy anything new. You don't buy anything new put in your house so you know say you use electricity, right? When I see my bill make that jump here, where it jump gone to, of course me I go there. Of course, I'm not paying that. Me not run no business place. Nothing. And like Christmas, me agree say Christmas and them feel like say yes. Everybody have a Christmas light and then burn whole night. Or we have Christmas event that we had. Me never keep none JPS. Me never ever keep none. First of all, the kids they not their home because a holiday. Every holiday them call them father. They never did it. They never did it. Them never did it. Me gone back at work and when me went there home for how long, my bill never rise up reach this. So I never tell them should I rise up because when me there home, me watch TV right through. Right through me watch TV. Not with TV and my laptop me use and leave the TV to the kids them. But me just lay down in my bed and watch my laptop. And then these people send me one bill here where me not recognize. I don't recognize it. So me I go there. Me not go just pay the bill there so. Me feel like say if me just pay so JPS so continue send me them type of bill there. I'm not in for that. No. I'm not in for it. I'm not at all. Let's see what he's doing. Oh, he's sleeping. I'm not in for it, so I'm gonna go out there, speak with somebody, and see what is the cost of this. Them say, me call them. They say them do investigation. It's like me don't feel like me I get. I don't feel like I'm getting the answer that I needed when I call them over the phone. So I'm gonna go there to talk to somebody so they can explain it to me what's going on. They say them do investigation. I agree with, but when the guy tell me that the investigation may take a month, I look funny and say if it go take a month, I go in the darkness. I don't want in the darkness. So it makes sense I go out there go talk to them because when I think that I should just pay what I normally pay a month time. But I want to go out there and then tell me say yes. Because I don't want to people tell me about a payment plan. I don't want a plan. I want them work on the building. I don't want a payment plan. Me know my bill, me know me burn. Me watch everything. And the worst the kids them there, if they say me that bill probably in the summer or so. Me maybe would have paid because you know summer hot and the fan they run right through and them there's something that maybe would have paid a bill but me still would have to talk about it. Yeah, my earth. JPS, my earth. Yeah, because me one person, me no wait long to pay my bill them as them drop me pay them. So if you see me can't pay my bill, I know say can't. If you see me don't pay that bill here yet, you must know say really raise that red flag. So I'm gonna go out there and try fix that, you know. Yeah. One of them must see me baby on board sign, but you know sometimes say them not seeing it properly. I have a baby on board sign on my car, people. Hold on. Guys, I have a baby on board sign on my car, right? And I feel like these drivers aren't seeing it. Sometimes they blow me down. I wonder if it's too small. You know, so I go, you know what? I go make another one. I go show you the one that they're panning now. So guys, this is the baby on board sign. I've been telling you all about my car dirty now. Please forgive that. I think I say maybe they can't see it. But this is it. I think I'll make a bigger one. It look big on the camera, but I tell you it's not that big. It's small. So I'm just gonna remake it so they can start blowing me down. Right? I'm gonna tell me if it's too small. Because I feel like they not really see it. Because there's no I can't have a baby in the car and yeah blow me down. So like my child asleep right now and them, so they're not frightened my pitney. Like why purpose? Guys, comment down below and tell me what if you don't see baby on board sign on a car. Like what come to no mind about it? Wanna think about it? Wanna approach and now drive behind somebody that has that on them car? What wanna do? Because some me not understand. For more than one time I noticed this. Other day one man drive me down and he blow me down and he come for my tail and he blow me down and he go on and I said, damn, this man literally not seeing it. Like the sign too small, man. It's too small. I'll get another one. I'm definitely gonna get another one. One bigger one. I go call the girl later and tell her I want her to make me another one, but I want it bigger. Because I don't think people are seeing it. I don't think so. Alright guys, so I'm just done with JPS and picking up Angel's outfit. So why these people not stop blooming? So now my food time. I'll get something to eat. I'm hungry, man. And then I go home and cook as well. I'm gonna cook. Yeah. But I cook when I get my day off. I'm gonna cook some rice and peas. Gungo. Oh shoot, me have a package. I have a package to pick up. When I come out, I have a package to pick up, guys. So I'm gonna go up here one. When never come yet because the receipt blessed in time. I don't know. I'm gonna go over there still, see if I get it. Yeah. I'm gonna go back over the park here so we can fit near, you know. Because although I'm just kinda scared. I'm here so they find one dead body out there. I know me can't help myself, they know. Lord Jesus. Yes guys. Maybe Egan back and sleep. Yes. So guys, my package don't come yet. My bags. My package don't come yet, so I'm just gonna go get some lunch and maybe so I go home and go cook some dinner. So that's when the kids are come from school and dinner ready. And my boyfriend come from work, give dinner ready. So I'm just gonna go and do that until later. I want to do some cooking video, you know, guys. I want to, but there's a but. I'm working on it though. Working on it. Yeah. And I also want to learn to do some new style of cooking tea, you know. Yes. I want to change up the game. I want to do more fun things to the kids. I know them might get big and they're too into the fun things. I'm not rampant for him food. Why not play them food, people? So I can't do that for him. I have to give him right food for eat, or else he's just not gonna have it. Okay? Yeah. But I'm not worry myself. I'm gonna learn some things. Angel and me will enjoy it. Boyfriend, him not vegetarian. Him will eat chicken. I'm not gonna say I'm vegetarian, but he's not really into the meats them. You know. Him eat chicken.
how you play pretty guys. Tutti Frutti, KFC, Pizza Hut. Yes guys. Baby A in Mommy and KFC. Plays pretty guys. And this is Angel. It's her birthday. Turn around. Birthday girl. Alright. Plays pretty man guys.
As you guys know, it's my birthday today, so I'd like you guys to wish me many more in the comments.
How many more? So guys, we are at KFC right now with the birthday girl. Make sure to drop a happy birthday comment in the comment section for her. We are out. Can't bother get to go do what we want to do today because the time gets so late and I think it's too late. So Saturday we'll bring them go skating. And you're really noisy right now. Yes, something?
Guys, wish me happy birthday in the comments. Guys, wish me happy birthday in the comments.
The kids are at Tutti Frutti now, guys. Wait, Angel, look what they flavor them on this side, and then when she finishes, tell her. Strawberry. And what else? They want a birthday cake? Yes, it there. Look, strawberry and birthday cake. They want to like you? You sure go like it? Yeah. And they have passion fruit, you know? Oh, you mixing? Okay. Me fit on the stop. Alright, you're right. Let me see. Hold it on. You can stop that one and one try another one. You can do. Oh. So get two one time. Okay. Take some more in there. Alright, no problem. Yeah, man, in good man in the sleep. You've been in a sleep now. What are you? No, don't take the middle one. She don't want it mixed. She wants another flavor, don't you? So like how you mix, you can't take another flavor. Alright, go down now. Strawberry. Sit there. So the third one now. Yes. No. Yes. Alright. Alright guys, so we get some toppings. No, somebody go come.
Never eat that sometimes.
Eh? Alright. Birthday girl. Eat our KFC. Andrew and so help himself. Baby A over there, so I go out with for himself. Just get him bottle and then lay down, so we are head home now. So birthday girl, how you feel tonight? You feel good? Yeah. Alright, so invite people them to wish you a happy birthday.
Wish me happy birthday down below in the comments.
And so thanks to all who wish me a happy birthday.
Thank you.
Yes guys, so we are head home now. We just sit down in the car and we are eat. Yeah. Alright, guys, we're back home. Birthday girl. Say baby, yes. Say happy birthday, Angel. Yes. Guys, I don't know. Since he find him mouth mask, I can make nice. Be a nice boy making it. Yes. So we talk to him. Yes, you we talking. Yes. Yes. So in the next clip we're gonna be at the skate park or whatever. I don't know. Yes guys, remember to comment a happy birthday to my baby girl. Comment her happy birthday, people. Yes. Yes. Say yes. Say happy birthday, sister. Yes. Guys, I wanna big up Anthony's fashion. Guys, I'm gonna put the link in the bio, so I want you guys to go and check him out. Check out his website, Anthony's fashion. Alright guys, so we're on our way right now. The roller skating, we're in the birthday girl, because I have to keep up to my video in there, but you're probably not hear the sound, right? But I'm definitely gonna video in there. I'm showing the kids them skating, and afterwards we go get something to eat. We don't want to try to find a restaurant so we're gonna go and have dinner. But we don't know. We see what we see out there because we go in Iron Shore way, and more than likely there's a lot of restaurants out there. So it's either we go there so we find something to eat, or we go KFC. We don't know where them up to. When we go over with a village, we see what's up over there and see if we can find something, or if not, we just grab KFC or something else, some other fast food, and come home, you know. But they skate and enjoy themselves, you know. It's all about them today. Angel, Andre, and Ace. That's my Ace turn. I'm not worry myself. What do you think? You know, some people them Angel, your birthday and such, you know, and them say, comment happy birthday and them stuff, you know, and say, I try to be a teeth. Say something, man, don't shy. Well, now we'll pass okay, so that's not bad. Alright, guys, so Angel, you say something? Say something. What you say? You have to speak up and they can't hear. When people tell her, say, Angel, speak up, because we know you can't speak up. We know. Alright, guys, so comment happy birthday to her under the comment section. Comment that. Maybe that's how I throw the video. I don't go see it. We can't vlog the skate at them because them said my professional. Andre tell me, say, even there, when I'm saying level, I don't remember my level. Wasn't there some level where he's better? Semi-pro level. So Andre is at his level. Which level you say there, sir? Semi-pro level. He's at the semi-pro level. So you know, boy can do him thing. Where there? Hacker level. Talk about people that here. No, man. I'm gonna show business I go on my car today. How I go on? No, man. I used to them something here. Talk up, man. The people them know so I can't talk. You see me? Which level you say they know, Angel? Hacker level. Talk, man. You know what? I'm going to stop speaking phone because I realize that the fact that when I'm not talking, I may talk phone or nah, won't my speak for myself. So, as of today, as of this moment, I will no longer speak for you both. Okay? Speak up so that everybody can hear, you know, because I know you guys can speak. So, speak up, right? Right?
Yes.
I'm going to hear Angel. I'm going to hear you. Right?
Yes.
Good. Good. Come on, man. Speak up. So yes, people, we're there. I don't know if we're half a journey yet. Well, we're not half the journey yet, but we're on our way. We're on our way to there. And you know, at night go get dark, so we can't go really vlogging on the car much. So I just want to get as much content out of the car as possible. Because when it gets dark, you're not gonna see girl's beautiful face and such. You're not gonna see Angel cute face, pretty face. You're not gonna see Andre cute face or not so. So we are trying to get as much content out of the car as possible. If you notice, I chick chat segment this. Yeah. Oh god. So I chick chat segment on the video this. Yes, guys. We still again one big up Anthony's fashion. Big up yourself. I'm gonna put the link in the description where you guys can go straight to the website. So big up Anthony's fashion. Yeah. Big up yourself.
So guys, we reach about tomorrow, we're gonna buy Starbucks. Yes, and I heard that the Starbucks at Watermore is for the big one, but I'm not sure about the small one.
Okay. So guys, we have one little stop for make on the hip strip now, so one stop. Where we stop, Angel?
Starbucks.
Good girl. She wants Starbucks, so we'll have to stop and get her the Starbucks, and then we hit the journey again.
Guys, your Angie and baby Ace a workout. Say hi to the vlog. You guys can see baby A sleeping. Guys, plan has changed. Starbucks line is too long. So we're gonna see if one day a week at village.
So guys, as Angel let us know a while ago, the Starbucks there while ago went just too packed. A line outside going in, I know that's something there. So we are hoping so we'll find one at Whitaker Village. Hoping for that. Actually go put in on my maps and see if we find one. Right? I think we'll find one. You think so? Not sure. I go check out this one. Maybe more than one with a village a big up this and one more so this so. Alright guys, so see you in the next stop. We'll make.
Yeah, Angel walking. Say hi, Angel.
Yeah, guys, as Easter said, we are looking for the Starbucks. Yep. I think we are close to where we are looking for.
Yes, guys. My favorite is spicy, so. Angel. What do you think going here?
This place is so nice. I bet the chicken is nice.
Yes, guys. I like in here, guys.
So guys, the place name Bird Shack.
Bird shot. Guys. I think I like this place, guys. Follow them on Instagram, guys. Bird shot. Big up Anthony's fashion. Yep.
So where's the end? Do you want it?
Called Bird Shack, as you guys can see.
Guys, we didn't get the Starbucks, but we get Bird Shack. Oh Lord, no seat back on first, eh? We get Bird Shack, guys. So we're gonna try. First we're gonna try this because it's new to Jamaica. So we're gonna see how it go. And you know the Bird Shack wedges, them wedges here, potato wedges here. Come with.
Guys, I think it tastes better than.
Don't compare, you say it tastes good.
Both of them taste good, but the one here have this.
Have more flavor?
Wedges have more flavor.
Oh! You hear that, guys?
Yes, guys.
I said don't compare. Angel said the wedges have a lot of flavor.
Yeah.
So potatoes are good, Angel. Potatoes are good. So guys, as we say, we are trying bird shock for the first time. It's so good. I like it. Andre gone back because Andre never get team rolls. I don't want rolls, but he never ended up coming in the box, so he went back for it. But I like it. Me get barbecue and spicy. You wake up. See Andre come here. I get him. Not saying anything. So guys, remember we are eating bird shock with a village there. I think I'm the only one that will be this and so that with a village. And they're nice and clean also. And they're not so overcrowded. It's crowded but not overcrowded like for KFC would have been. So we never really stay that long. That's what I am. You think what? It's not here. Guys, I think not so good right now because I'm nice. I will still not. We just reach rather. But bird shock people, it's so good. Try it. It is so good. Like, I don't know when they put funny wedge all the chicken. Wow. And then we have to go come and go with them one more time. I think then you want a Fairview because Fairview is much more closer to us than all the way in Ironshore. But I like it. It's so good. And then actually I go there and realize that one friend of mine own the place, you know.
And as if them put it, you
know.
As if them put bird shock or Fairview, I think it go better. It go be one better expand for your company.
For sure.
Like people go know it more.
Right.
Because most people go Fairview than which village.
No, I can't say that. Just too close to we where we go there more. But if we were living close to with a village, we would have been going to with a village more. Yes, Andre. Just be honest.
I give my honest opinion.
Well,
that's my opinion.
So what's your honest opinion on chicken?
In the chicken? I give 8.5 out of 10.
Yes, ma'am. Angel, what's you give the chicken?
10 out of 15.
10 out of 15 and 10 out of 10 we are raising.
Okay, 10 out of 10.
Angel, I give 10 out of 10. It's going to say I not repeat for you.
What you saying?
But I give 10 out of 10 too. I like people. The chicken is really good.
I just because of the first time, so.
But when you go often, no?
I'm loving it.
Guys, it's good. And the barbecue, guys, nice. So try it? What it is? People have different taste buds, so.
It is so good.
Guys, it's very nice and right.
I'm not going to not full my belly because, you know. Okay. You never will go member.
Almost done.
Guys, the only issue I have some problem with the cups. I feel like they're not strong enough. They cover them now. They cover them now and hold it properly. But
The juice?
yeah, bird shock. Big up on yourself. Just work on the cover them or maybe the cup them not fit or something. Because as you hold it, the cover come off.
Right now.
Angel one dash it for her too because it's not close tight enough. And I like some of them were grippy. When they put it over, this one doesn't do like that.
Guys, the mango peach our favorite.
Why people everywhere we go, mango peach.
So mango peach today? I'm not going to ostrich.
Mango peach. Right through. Alright guys, so I want to come out. Look how S1 come out of the car seat though, Lord. Yes. Alright guys, so we're gonna go inside now. So remember, you know, because of the loud music, you're not gonna hear we talk. So we just so show you know what's going on, and then and again comment down below and let us know if you like this place and if you would bring your kids come check it out. Yes. So soon inside, alright?
Close.
Persian but she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Persian Are we turning up or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time anymore. Party alone, just wanna chill with you. Oh, I wanna turn up. But she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Virgin. Are we turning up or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time anymore. Party alone, just wanna chill with you. Oh, I wanna turn up. Persian but she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Virgin. Are we turning up or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time anymore. Party alone, just wanna chill with you. Oh, I wanna turn up. choose virgin love. Are we turning up or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. No, party alone. Just wanna chill with you. Oh, no. I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn on. I wanna let you. Let's see someone do. Fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing your eyes, you feel it. Feel it, baby, can you feel me, baby? Can you feel it, baby, can you feel me, baby? Fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing your eyes, you feel it. Feel it, baby, can you feel me, baby? Can you feel it, baby, can you feel me, baby? Oh, feel me, baby. Can you feel me, baby? Feel me, baby. Can you feel me, baby? Oh, feel me, baby. Can you feel me, baby? Feel me, baby.